Hello viewer, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Mata Di to all my viewers. Blessings from my goddess Ma Vaishno Devi. You can see on this video the picture of my mother Vaishno Devi. My mothers are present in the form of a 5.5 feet tall natural rock formation with 3 heads. To the right, I mean the right side head is the picture of my mother Kali, Jai Ma Kali. The middle head is my mother Mata Lakshmi, Jai Ma Lakshmi. And to the extreme left, my mother Ma Saraswati, Jai Ma Saraswati. My mother is blessing me and everyone. Whatever I am today in the world is because of the blessings of my eternal mother, Ma Kali, Ma Lakshmi, Ma Saraswati, and my earthly mother who passed away in 2011. So, my hand-folded request to anyone watching this video: believe in a mother, believe in the spirit of a mother, believe in your goddess, because a mother, the spirit of a mother, the goddess will never let you down, because your goddess will not abandon you, will not desert you in times of trouble, just like an earthly mother doesn't abandon a child. Similarly, a goddess will never abandon you, will never desert you in your troubled times. You must listen to this story. During the war of Mahabharata, Lord Krishna, our God, told Arjuna to pray to goddess Vaishno Devi and to take her blessings so that the Pandavas could win. And we all know the Pandavas won. Yes, goddess Vaishno Devi can make miracles happen. Even if the Kauravas had a larger army, still with the blessings of Jai Mata Di, the Pandavas won. I'd like to tell you all something about me today. I would like to tell you all vociferously. I would like to inform you all in a loud and forceful manner that I am an ordinary human being like you. I have the same 5 sense faculties as you have. I have the same ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. And like y'all, I am blessed by my goddess. I am again telling y'all that I am a very ordinary person like you. There is nothing unique and extraordinary about me. It is just that I am using the blessing of my goddess Ma Kali, Ma Saraswati and Ma Lakshmi to solve your problems. I do not make miracles happen. My goddess helps me to manifest miracles for people. I just love helping people, and my passion to help people has brought me in this profession of astrological and spiritual remedies. I not only give remedies to my followers, but I also pray to my goddess to solve my followers' problems. Whenever I see this world through the prism of my goddess Vaishno Devi, I can clearly see that this is a happy and healthy world. I can explicitly see that this is a positive and a prosperous world. Yes, as you must have read the title of this video, which says, I can solve your problem. I mean it. I can solve your problem. I can solve your problem. But come to me only when you think you believe a son of a goddess. Come only to me if you are convinced that only a son of a goddess can solve your problem. Come to me only if you have faith and belief in God. Because without faith and belief, no remedy in this world will work for you. I have made a special protection amulet. If you have problems regarding a job, if you have problems regarding your health, if you have problems regarding your mind, if you have problems regarding your relationships, if you have problems regarding your child's education, if you have problems regarding love and romance, if you have problems related to your business, then you can buy this protection amulet. You can buy this protection amulet even if you have a delayed marriage problem or there is a problem in your marital life. This amulet will solve all your problems. This is a godly locket that has been energized and sanctified by me. I have prayed to God. I have prayed to my goddess. I have appealed to her. I have requested my goddess to shower blessings on this locket so that anyone who wears this locket gets protected. You must have heard that saying that prayer can move mountains. Prayer can make miracles happen. And this is exactly what I have done on this locket. I have full faith on my goddess that my goddess has showered her choicest blessings on this protection locket. Well, my God has always listened to me, and the proof is the large number of people who have benefited through this amulet. With this amulet, you will always feel that God is around you always. This will act as a blessing of God in your life. This miraculous locket is made in silver. This locket, as you can see, has a very aesthetic appearance. You can see the picture of the locket, the amulet on this video. You can wear this locket around your neck, keep it in your wallet, purse or pocket, wear it on your wrist or upper arm. This locket will also help you to keep your wealth and money secured. As soon as you have this locket, you will start to experience the presence and protection of God in your life. What else do you all want in this life? I customized this protection amulet. This protection amulet for you. For that, I would need the name and surname of the person for whom it is intended. And I would perform an additional prayer keeping in mind the name of the person. This protection amulet will contribute to attracting the much needed positivity you require in your life. The powerful effect of the protection amulet will slowly be manifested. It could take up to 90 days to show its results. If you really know someone who needs this locket, then do share this video with them. Subscribe to my channel if you are interested in protecting yourself from all possible dangers in your life. Subscribing to my YouTube channel will not only help you all discover richness, but can help you all to avoid possible disasters in your life. Well, if you all wish to know your future through astrology and you wish to get astrological and spiritual remedies and you all wish to live the best possible version of yourself, then you all can contact me over WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.